Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So in this video we'll be talking about Pixel Watch 2. Google has released a teaser showing the new Pixel Watch 2. Some of you may know that Pixel Watch is one of my favorite because of the size and the design, particularly the dome design. The dark pebble kind of look, I think it just looks really nice. I really love the crown, which I think makes it much more easier to use the watch. The health aspect in particular, the Fitbit, I think is one of the best so far I've experienced in terms of detail, presentation. So I really love the Pixel Watch 1. The only downside I would say is the battery life. I think that really disappoints me because I'm always forever stressing to charge the watch every day. So today we'll look at the teaser video and see what's changed, what Pixel Watch 2 is offering in design wise and also internally in terms of spec as well. So let's have a look and see what the differences are. So looks like they kept the original design of Pixel 1 very similar, but that's really good because I love the pebble dark dome shaped screen that seamlessly blend in with the frame itself. There are slight differences that I can see in terms of the crown. Looking at the crown itself, I can already see the difference in design. It's more like a pumpkin disc type of design, which is really nice and stands out. And if we look at the Pixel 1, we can see it sticks out slightly more from the watch and the design is not as elaborated as it is on the Pixel 2. So it seems from the video that the band release mechanism still remains the same, which is good, because previous band can be used with the new watch as well. And this was a unique system Google introduced with the Pixel Watch. In terms of the side button, still at the same place on the top and microphones at the bottom next to the crown. On the other side, the speaker grill still on the same place, nothing's changed. Going by the video, the watch appears slightly slimmer and it seems to have retained its stainless steel body, which I'm really pleased about, because there was a rumor that Google may replace the body with aluminium instead of stainless steel, which would have made the body weaker. So I'm really pleased that it's not aluminium. And as we continue looking, we can see that there's a IP68 marking on the plate, which is great because Pixel Watch didn't have a water and dust resistance rating. So with Pixel Watch 2, it will have 5 ATM ratings, which means it can go down to the depth of 50 meters. So the biggest difference I can see is how the sensor array has been designed on Pixel 2. So going by the video, I can see there's a circular layout for the sensors and there's several LED lights, which is indicating there are new sensors and improvement from Pixel 1. And as we can see here, Pixel 1 has 4 sensors here in a rectangular layout. One of the new sensors is likely to be an advanced stress tracking sensor, which can be found on some Fitbit watches. We can also see SpO2 is marked on the side, which is blood oxygen sensor. That is fantastic because the Pixel 1 did have the sensor built in, but it was never activated. So I'm hoping this will be activated from release on Pixel Watch 2. Looking at the screen, it seems to have remained the same as Pixel 1, 1.2 inch. That's about 41 mm. So as you know, the Pixel Watch 1 had large bezels, and I was really hoping that with Pixel Watch 2 they may reduce the bezel size, but looking at the watch faces here, I can't really tell, so I don't really know. I'm hoping they may have, but it seems highly unlikely that they have changed the bezel size. So now I'm going to talk about internal changes based on some leaks. Firstly, the battery size. So the battery size on Pixel Watch 2 is going to be 306 mAh. And on Pixel Watch 1 it was 294, so that's not much of a difference. And the battery life on Pixel 1 was my biggest complaint. So Google doesn't seem to have done much about the battery capacity. However, there's a brand new processor that's going to be going into Pixel Watch 2. So the new processor is Snapdragon W5 Plus, which is the same processor in Ticwatch Pro 5. Going by what we've seen on Ticwatch Pro 5, it's very fast and efficient. So hopefully this will make a big difference in the battery life of Pixel Watch 2. And if we can get around 30 hours, I think I'll be quite comfortable with that. Just to mention that Pixel Watch 1 has a very outdated Samsung processor, and it still performs well on the Pixel Watch 1. So it'll be really interesting to see how this new efficient and super fast processor performs with the new Pixel Watch 2. The new watch comes with OLED display panel made by Samsung, so that should give us a decent crisp display. So in terms of memory configuration, the Pixel Watch 2 comes with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage, which means there's plenty of storage for music, apps, watch faces, which is also more than the Samsung Watch 6 Classic that recently came out, which came with only 16 gig of storage. It comes with the latest Wear OS 4, as in the same as the latest Samsung Watch 6 series. That will include native WhatsApp app and hopefully Gmail and calendar app as well. And like last year, the watch will come with both in Bluetooth and LTE version. So moving on to the watch faces, based on the video, we haven't seen anything new, but based on some leaks, here are some new watch faces which looks really lovely, and I'm really looking forward to trying the new watch faces. That's all for today. Let me know what you think of the new Pixel Watch 2. Are you going to buy it? Anything in particular that you like about the watch or you dislike? Comment down below and let us know. I'm really excited and I'm really looking forward to it. Well, watches are fashion accessories, so I think each watch design and brand has its own uniqueness that we really like, and will go with different outfit. Like Pixel Watch, for example, I really like the actual pebble look, and it doesn't have the harsh frame on top like the Samsung Watch does. So obviously each watch goes with a different design, and I'm going to definitely be buying that. So let me know if you're planning to buy the Pixel Watch 2 and what you're looking forward to. So the launch date is on the 4th of October, and you'll be able to pre-order from that date. I'm hoping to pre-order as well. So that's all for today. I hope you found the video informative. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.